Merry Christmas! Who knew that backyard rocks and pebbles could play a part in the Nativity story? If you found your way to this new Christmas song, then you were probably gifted a homemade Christmas ornament like this by someone who wants to share with you the peace and joy of Christmas. After you watch the Rocks and Pebbles tell the story of Christmas, we hope you'll join in the joy of making and sharing your own rock manger ornaments. The instructions are free, rocks are free, and your love is free. Let's flood the world with the true spirit of Christmas. You can find more details at rockstellstories.com.
Little Mother Mary, a humble girl, the chosen one, to bring the Holy Child as long foretold, to trade our pain for joy, every soul. Little Mother Mary, you stood the scorn of every man, but Joseph saved you from the ancient law and walked with you and God through it all. Please let your light shine over all, heal the broken hearts, let the anguish fall away today. Little baby Jesus, how far you've come to be with us. I wonder what it's like beyond the clouds. How does your love survive among us now? Little baby Jesus, how will your arms embrace us all? How can you lift a world that's fallen down? Will you show us how to make our way back home? Please let your light shine over all, heal the broken hearts, let the anguish fall away today. Little shepherds watching for endless years, a holy sign. The angel came to tell them of his birth, the newborn Son of God to save the earth. Then the heavens opened, the hosts of God broke out in song. The Savior of the world had finally come, Messiah as a babe, the Holy One. Please let your light shine over all, heal the broken hearts, let the anguish fall away today.
Join us in spreading Christmas cheer by making and sharing Nativity rock ornaments. Patti works with larger rocks, as you just saw, but working with really small rocks and pebbles is even easier and more forgiving, and it looks so cute. Even children are creating these sweet Christmas ornaments. Anyone can do it. Join us in making these for your loved ones and neighbors this year. We've put together all the instructions you need to create them, and even tags you can print out just like the one you see here. You can also go to the dollar store and pick up these rocks if you don't want to go find your own outside. It's a wonderful family or group activity that is spreading joy everywhere by letting a few rocks tell the story of little baby Jesus.